may fulfillment akong naramdaman kasi at least I helped. I became part of something na nakakapagbigay ng new hope for our fellow men, especially dito sa Philippines. And nakakatawa kasi despite everything that's happening, meron pa rin mga volunteers na sumasama sa mga ganitong klaseng advocacies. And me, on my part, I'm really happy and I would like to thank each and everyone na nag-volunteer to help us and to participate in my Habitat birthday celebration. And I'm really looking forward for more of this. I mean, I would be more than willing to help kapag merong buildings and yung mga clearing operations, something like stuff like that. So, thank you so much. Every time na nagiging part ako ng activities ng Habitat, parang lalong nabubuo yung personality ko as a person, as a human. Kasi iba yung nakakatulong ka, iba yung na-share mo yung blessings mo with the ones that were in need. So, yun, it was life-changing experience and I'm hoping that I can do more of stuff like this in the near future. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Well,